Hey, beautiful people. I wanted to come and remind you guys about the Dosh app. Tomorrow is the last day of the promotion. Okay, for those of you that aren't familiar with what I'm talking about, I am going to attach an entire video at the end of this announcement that tomorrow is the last day to get in on this. You can easily make $50 today with this app. All you have to do is download it yourself and get your friends and family or whoever, or Billy Bob down the street, it doesn't matter. Get them to download the app as well and connect a valid debit or credit card. I'm going to explain why you have to connect a valid debit or credit card. It is not a scam. It is a cash back app. And the reason why you have to do that is because the card that you connect every time you go to a store, Walmart, Target, go to buy some gas, is actually going to put money back onto your Dosh app. That way you're able to transfer it from your Dosh app to your PayPal or to your bank. Okay, it's 100% legit. I'm going to explain that in the video coming up. Like I said, it's going to be a replay for those of you that have already seen it. But again, I just wanted to give you guys that reminder. There are people out there that are making a ton of money with this app. Okay, go and download it to make you $50. Who can't use an extra $50 to put in that gas tank or to put some food in their refrigerator? Okay, especially easy money like this. And plus, you shop at Walmart, Target, and all those places anyway. Why not get money back for going shopping? Most of us shop at Walmart and Target anyway. Why not get some money back for going and doing what you're going to do anyway, which is shop? Okay, every time you swipe the card that you connected to the Dosh app, they will give you cash back on your purchases on the app. And what you do is you transfer the money from the app to your PayPal or your bank account. Okay, it's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. It's people out there, like I said, making a ton of money with this app. Go and download that app, connect your valid debit or credit card, no prepaid cards, okay? And go ahead and tell your friends and family, Billy Bob down the street or whoever, to download this app so you can make you some money. Tomorrow ends the promotion, but they do have promotions that go on from time to time. So this promotion ends tomorrow, but they might have another promotion that pops up next month. Who knows, okay? But I just wanted to give you guys a reminder video to follow for those of you who have not seen it. Good morning, all of you beautiful people. I hope that everyone has a very, very blessed Wednesday, family, okay? You see the title of this video. This is not clickbait. This is 100% real and raw, okay? I pride myself on being one of the people that folks like to come to when they actually want to know if a work at home job or something that they can do for a little bit of side money, if it's legitimate or if it's a scam. I pride myself on that. And I always like to say that my integrity is not for sale for no amount of money. I don't care if somebody offered me $1 million. My integrity is not for sale. People may not believe that, but honestly and truly, my integrity is not for sale for no dollar amount. I feel like my blessings will come from me being genuine and authentic and being real with people. That's where my blessings will come from. Well, I'm pretty sure that 99.9% of you guys have heard of this app, okay? I've heard of it myself. I've seen it floating around on social media, and I, for one, was one of those people who said to myself, this is just another one of them scams, and I don't know why I did that without doing my research, especially being a person who actually shares legitimate work-at-home jobs and side hustles. I should have done my research. As a matter of fact, my sister reached out to me about this app, and I told her, I said, don't do it. It ain't nothing but a scam. Don't even waste your time, okay? But I had to go back to her today and tell her, do not listen to what I said to you before, because it is 100% legitimate. It is 100% a real app, and it is not a scam. Now, the app that I'm going to tell you guys about is called Dosh, okay? Dosh. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it on Facebook. You probably just bypassed and said this is just another scam. Let me tell y'all, they have a promotion going on right now until June the 12th. I've tried this myself because I like to try stuff myself before I tell it to other people, especially if I was one of those people who felt like it was a scam at first. It is not a scam. I'm going to tell you guys how Dosh works, all right? And this is why I guess a lot of people think that it's a scam, and I'm going to share this with you guys in a second, but I need to share my screen with y'all. I'm going to do a little bit of screen recording. Yeah, y'all know that Apple done got show enough advanced now to where they let you record your screen and all that good stuff. So I'm going to record my screen, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what this is all about, okay? So basically what Dosh is, it's a referral app, okay? It's a cashback referral app. So with Dosh, if you link a verified debit or credit card with this app, and a lot of people don't like to link their debit or credit card, but let me tell you, they will not steal your information or anything like that. It is a 100% legitimate app. And the reason why you have to link a debit or a valid credit card is because whenever you go to participating stores, they actually give you cash back. But first and foremost, as you guys can see, you invite 10 or you invite friends, and for every person that you invite, you get $10. But they'll only give you the $10 if they connect their credit or their debit card. Okay. Now, if you sign up, just randomly sign up yourself, they'll give you $5. Okay. So you don't even have to refer anybody. You can sign up, they'll give you $5, and then you can just use it to shop at some of these stores I'm going to show you and earn cash back. But that's not even the amazing thing to me. You guys know that I'm going to be traveling very, very soon in the near future, and this app will give you cash back on hotels. Now, yes, I get discounts with my travel agent rates and everything like that with my travel agent discount. However, there are some hotels that don't participate in that. And this right here is a nugget of a gem for anybody who loves to travel. I'm going to show you guys what the dealio is. Okay. Now, again, as I said, you sign up, you get $5, and you link a valid debit or credit card, and you will earn cash back every time you swipe that card that you link to Dosh. It'll automatically give you cash back on that card if you're shopping at one of the participating stores. So I'm going to show you guys some of the stores that are participating in this, and the amount of stores is crazy. But I'm going to show you guys something else other than the stores. All right. Now, let me go here. So these are my nearby stores that currently give you cash back with this app. The Exxon, to be honest with you, I don't buy my gas from Exxon. I'm one of those type of people that only get my gas from like Shell or Chevron. I know a lot of y'all probably like, why? I don't know why that is. I think anytime I see one of these off name brand gas stations, I think to myself that there's some water in the gas or whatever. So I only get my gas from Shell or or Chevron. So, but Exxon, if you get your gas from Exxon, they'll actually give you 2% cash back. And if you actually do a lot of driving and you spend a lot of money on gas, 2% cash back, stop playing. Okay. Also, Payless, they give you 5% cash back. Now, there is a $10 cash max from Payless. So what that means is you go and buy some shoes from Payless, they'll only give you $10 cash back per 24 hours. So if you wanted to get another $10 cash back, just say you was going to buy 10 pairs of shoes, you would go back the next day and buy another pair of shoes, and they'll give you 10 more dollars cash back. So they'll only give you $10 cash back within a 24-hour period. So keep that in mind with Payless. Also, Sam's Club, same thing, $10 cash back max. And the reason for that is people buy in bulk from Sam's. So you're not going to be able to go and spend $2,000 in Sam's, especially a lot of these business owners. Because a lot of business owners actually go to Sam's and they, buy in bulk from Sam's. So they will be spending buku money. So they'll only give you a $10 back cash max within a 24-hour period. All right. Of course, I was telling you guys about the Exxon. So those are the only ones in my nearby area. However, I do most of my shopping online. 99% of my shopping I do online, except for like little toiletries and in my grocery shopping. Everything else I do 100% online, okay? And now let me show you guys this. Family. A bunch of these stores I shop at online already, okay? Bed Bath & Beyond. You get 7.5% cash back for shopping at Bed Bath & Beyond if you use the card that you link. Don't use a card that you're not actually going to be buying stuff with, because it's going to be pointless. Make sure you're linking a card that you actually use. Do not, family, like I said, my integrity is not for sale. I'm not going to tell you something that's not real. And the thing about this is you can go and tell your mama, your daddy, your cousin, your uncle, your sister, your brother, whoever about this. And for each one of them that you tell to download this app and to link their card to it to get cash back, you're going to get $10 for each one of those people. Okay. And this ends on June 12th. Now, they do promotions all of the time. And a lot of people wonder, how are these people able to actually pay you for referring people like this? I'm 95% sure, 99.9% sure that every one of these stores that you see here, they're on a referral program with Dosh, all right? And I'm pretty sure for every time that you go and shop at one of these stores using one of these cards that's linked to Dosh, Dosh gets money from these stores. Places like Bed Bath & Beyond, Walmart, Target, all of these stores are, billion-dollar companies. So, of course, these people are making money by referring people. So, by them paying us $10 every time that we refer somebody, that's chump change to them, okay? So, again, you got Ray-Ban, you have The Body Shop, you have Morel, Oakley, Neiman Marcus, The Container Store, BB, Cost Plus. You have Barney's New York, you have Puma, the Jelly Bean Company, you have Gap, you have Old Navy, Big Lots, Walmart, Loft, Macy's, Nordstrom's, and Taylor, Target, Udemy. You have Soft Shoe, you have GoDaddy. Now, this is one of the ones I was a little annoyed when I saw. Reason being is because all of my websites are through GoDaddy. So I could have earned 7.5% cash back if I would have had this app at that particular point in time. That's why it's not good to actually call something a scam before you've done your research on it. And most people that call it a scam, they probably just scrolled past it, didn't even try it, or maybe they tried it and didn't actually put in the work, because you're not going to download this and make the money from it if you're not telling other people about it. You have to tell other people about it and basically tell them the benefits of it. Don't, just tell them download this app and put your card on there. No, tell them the benefits about it and tell them to do a little bit of research on it. That way they see that it's not a scam. For real, y'all. Again, my integrity is not for sale, all right? Keep going. Dress Lily, MPG Sport, Fossil, like I said, Walmart, all these companies are on here. eBooks, all of these different companies are on here, you guys. Now, but that's not the kicker for me. The kicker for me is going to be on the travel. Let me show you guys about these freaking hotels that these people will give you cash back on. For real. Look, I'm clicking on travel. As you can see, right now they have a promotion going on. I guess it's up until the 12th when this other promotion, this referral promotion goes, because it's not going to go on forever. The $10 referral program is only going to last until June the 12th. So if you're interested, get in on it right now, okay? A $25 bonus for booking your first hotel. So they'll automatically give you $25 for the first hotel that you book through them. And I know you might be like, well, I can go into Booking and book a hotel. Well, Booking is not going to give you cash back, okay? And they're definitely not going to give you $25 for booking your first hotel through them. So let me close that. Now, I told you guys that I'm going to Atlanta this month. I'm not really sure on the date yet, but I'm just going to put in a random date, okay? A random date. Random date. If I can spell. All right. Atlanta. So I'm just going to put in June the 22nd through June the 25th, okay? That's just, just some random dates. I'm not going to Atlanta. I'm not sure if I'm going on the 22nd. I'm just letting you guys know that that's what I'm putting in for the dates. And of course, it wants to be slow. And it's going to sort them by the most cash back, the hotel that will give you the most cash back, okay? So let's see what it pulls up. Like I said, when I found this, I was like, what? So as you can see, Fairfield Inn and Suites downtown Atlanta is $240 a night, okay? So we're going to click on that, all right? And we're going to see how much money we can get back by staying at the Fairfield Inn and Suites downtown Atlanta, all right? Now, you don't have to put in 3 days. You could be staying somewhere overnight, okay? As you can see, $240 a night. I will get $227.52 total cash back for staying at this hotel from June 22nd to the 25th. So it's like I'll get a whole night for free, or spend like $25 for one night in this hotel, and the other ones I'll pay regular price. But it's basically like I'm getting one night completely free if I were to actually book this hotel through this Dosh app. Girl, okay, let me go on to Omni, okay? Omni at the CNN Center in Atlanta. I'm pretty sure most of you guys have heard of that if you've ever been to Atlanta, okay? This is $440 a night. They give you $165 cash back. Like I said, they sort them by the hotel that would give you the most money back. Of course, you have Embassy, you have Atlanta Marriott, you have the Ritz-Carlton, you have Hyatt, you have Hometown Suites, all of these, okay? So like I said, when I heard about this, I was like, I was going to do my research first. I did my research, and it came back that this is 100% legitimate, period. Not a scam. Now, of course, I had to test it out for myself, though. So what I did was I actually signed my mother up for this first. I signed my mother up for it first. You're going to have to make sure that when you sign a person up, it has to be a completely different phone number, okay? So just make sure, like I said, if it's your mom, your dad, just make sure they have a phone number. That way, when they sign up for Dosh, it has to send them a confirmation code or a verification code to make sure that their number is accurate. And you put in that verification code, and you go on to the next step, and you link your card. The key is you're not going to get the money back if they don't link a card. But let them know. Let them know it comes from ThickChick, okay? Integrity not for sale. They will not steal your information. The only reason you have to link that card is because every time you swipe that card at one of these participating stores or one of these hotels that you book a hotel through, they're going to give you your money back on that particular purchase, okay? And they'll put it on your Dosh app, all right? So, as you can see, I made $25. I referred my mother, and I referred my friend, and I got $10 for both of them. Again, as you can see, it's a $25 balance on here. The reason why it's a $25 balance, even though they're only giving you $10 for each person, is because they give you $5 for just signing up. So like I said, you don't have to even tell anybody about it. They'll automatically give you $5, okay? Now, after you do that, if you wanted to cash out with this, you have to have a minimum of $20 to cash out. Hey family, I had to jump right back in here right quick to let you guys know, because I know some people will pick up on this as well, and they'll be like, well, why did the times change? My screen recording actually cut off at around the 10-minute mark, so I had to re-record part of this so that you guys can actually see exactly what I was talking about as I was talking about it. So that's why you're going to see a time change from 6:38 or whatever to like 7 whatever, because as I was uploading this video, I did notice that the recording cut off at 10 minutes. So I had to go back and I had to screen record again as I was talking. So again, I wanted to say that because I know some people will try to pick up on everything and try to find fault in everything. But that's the reason why the times changed. My screen recording cut off. So let's get back to the video. Cash out, okay? All you do is you click on your wallet, okay? And you hit transfer. You can either donate the money or you can transfer, but I'm pretty sure 99.9% of people are going to want to actually transfer their money for themselves. They're not going to want to donate it, but you just hit transfer, and you can actually transfer this to your PayPal account or your bank account. So I know a lot of people may not be comfortable linking their bank account number to this, but again, it's legit. But PayPal, sign up for PayPal. You know, you ain't got to worry about no fraudulent activity on your PayPal account, because if anything goes on your PayPal account, PayPal will reverse it, which, again, that's not going to happen with this app, okay? But PayPal, and all I have to do is just put in the amount that I want to send, and I just hit transfer to my PayPal account, enter in my PayPal information, and it'll send that $25 to my PayPal account. But I want to build it up a little bit more, because when my aunt wake up, when my uncle wake up, my cousin wake up, I'm going to tell all of them about this app so they can get some money. Like I said, y'all, you can tell your sister, your brother, your cousin, your auntie, your mama, whoever about this app. And for every person that you tell about it, okay, for every person that you tell about it, you will get $10. But they have to link their debit or their credit card, a valid one, or it's not going to work. Take it from me. Up until June 12th, you can easily earn $200-300 by telling people about this app, whether it be your co-workers, whether it be your friends, your family, whoever. Go out there and get this money, because it's real, okay? It is 100% real, and I'm going to share it with everybody, all right? Because, I mean, even though I share legitimate work at home jobs with you guys, I want to make some money too, okay? So I feel like this, for me sharing this app, link down in the description box, I get some money, you get some money. Just saying. But I want y'all to know, again, it's 100% legitimate. And once you build up however much, you can let it sit in there until you get $200-300 if you want to. And after you do that, you can go ahead and transfer it into your bank account or your PayPal account. But I wanted to let you guys know. But after you do that, once you sign up, it will give you a unique link, okay? Make sure that you're using the link that they give you once you sign up, and give it to other people. Have them sign up, and once they get their link, they give that to other people, and they sign up. And every time you do that, you get $10. Okay, so but make sure you're using your unique link. You will see it right there. It'll say copy my unique link. That's the link that you want to give people. Okay, that's how you will earn the money. Again, 100% legitimate. $10 for each person that you refer. Go and get your money. Stop playing. Love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.